What's up guys, this is Live Breathe Tech here, back with another video, and I'm here to quickly show you what's on my iPhone. This is what's on my iPhone 2017. So quickly jumping into it, this is my simple wallpaper. Looks pretty cool, right? So heading into the phone, um, from my 2016 version to 2017, there's been quite a few apps I've added and some I've of course taken away. But the only thing that really did stay the same was the simplification of my how many apps I have on my phone. So as you can see here, I only have basically 2 pages. Back in the day when the iPhone first came out and stuff, I used to have tons of at least maybe 4 or 5 pages of apps on here. But after watching people like David DeFranco, how he kept it simple, I decided to do the same because it doesn't make sense having multiple apps all over the place and then wasting your time. Even though you do have the search feature up here, but that's secondary to me when looking for apps. So let's quickly get into this and see what I have on here. So on the main page, I have the standard things like the clock, camera. I do have Camera Plus when I want to take photos. One of the best camera apps out there. Also, you have the regular calendar, calculator, photos, weather, map, wallet, which I use very much when I want to go to the movies and whatnot. Let me go ahead and turn this down so it can look slightly better on the screen. So there you have it. Also, I have reminders, stocks, music. iTunes Store, which I don't really use. I do use Apple Music a lot. I use the 10.99 or $10 service, so I stream my music a lot, which explains why my T-Mobile, my T-Mobile minutes or whatever data goes out pretty much every month, so I have to go to my stash. iBooks, which I rarely use. I don't really use it too much. And here we have news. Just in case I want to catch up on what's going on. iHome. I haven't really gotten any smart home things yet, but I am looking into them. Currently, the only smart device I do have is Echo Dot, but again, nothing is connected to that. Before I explain the other iHome stuff I was looking into, quickly at the bottom, as you can see, Canary. They announced that they are in the future going to work with iHome. I don't know when, but it would be great because it's a very good security system, very simple. And let's see what else. This is all my social media stuff: Twitter, YouTube, Studio. If you're a YouTube creator, content creator, this is a must-have. It gives you the analytics right straight away, the real-time views, etc., etc. Very well made. Pinterest, I don't really use it too much. Google Plus, same thing. I don't really use Google Plus too much. Instagram, I use a lot. Facebook, definitely probably my most used app on this whole phone. Sub count gives you real time sub. For some strange reason, YouTube is pretty slow at updating how much subscribers you have if you're a YouTube content creator. So I use this app. You can also, I have it on airplane mode so I don't get any distraction or notifications during this video taping here. But when you refresh it, it gives you real-time numbers. So again, if you want to go check them out, go to the App Store and go to sub count. And you have the Facebook Messenger, which I use once in a while, and Tumblr. I recently logged back in here just to see some things, but I don't really use it too much, but I guess it's just there. Google. I'm always Googling, so that's another useful app, an app I use plenty of times. Again, I use music, Apple Music, because I stream most of my content. Shazam, just in case I don't, know the song, the name of the song. It's a very helpful app. My Mixtape, when I want to listen to hip hop, they have mixtapes on there you can just stream on your phone. SoundCloud and Pandora. Moving on, like I said, I already went over Canary. Great security system. I'm thinking about getting another one for the outside of my place. At the bottom I also use the typical phone messaging, email, Safari as my standard browser. Switching over, I do use Yahoo Mail from time to time. FaceTime I rarely use. Podcasts, it's either here or there, but I need to start listening to some interesting podcasts. If you have any recommendation tech-wise, go ahead and leave a comment down below. Always got to catch up on the Bible. I have a few things on there. These are most of my games that I play. The game that I play the most is Clash of Clans. If you haven't heard about it, go check them out. It's a very huge game out there. It's much more fun to play when you're in an actual clan. Cricket basically is it's not, I wouldn't say gambling, because you're not really losing money, you're gaining money. So depending on the spin, and you just add it up and cash out at the end. So it's a pretty cool thing to play. Let's see, what is this? Block City. Haven't really played it much, but it looks kind of like what do you call that game? Minecraft, but with gang wars and stuff like that. And then you have the old Snakes and Ladder, very old school game. Pokemon Go, I don't really use it too much. It's I don't know if it really died out. I'm not really checking for it. Asphalt, what is it? Asphalt 8, great racing game. Angry Birds, old school Angry Birds I play from time to time. CSR2, MC5, which is, I believe, is a first-person shooter. Very fun game, very graphical as well. Star Wars, Mario Run, I play from time to time. Let's see, Goat Simulator, Where's Waldo, Scoops, Castle Creeps, very great tower shooting game, and of course Dragon Ball Z. Moving on, I have my financial stuff, nothing important there. These are all my photo apps. Let's see what we have. Looksery, Snapseed. Snapseed is my most used photo app here. Google Photos for backup. Let's see, Prisma, Repost if I wanna, repost Instagram posts and whatnot. PicStitch, stitching video pictures together. Quick and Over. Those are to add like text to your videos. Videos or photos, etc. Photoshop. I believe that's Ivory. Photoshop again. Lightroom. Instaquote, which I usually use to post on Instagram. iMovie, which I don't really use, but it's pretty good and comes in handy at times. It's a PicMonkey, another photo editing app. Photo Studio, and another like PicStitch type app. Moving on, just traveling stuff. Moving on as well, business, eBay when I want to sell, and also on Amazon for Amazon selling and whatnot. The TV remote for the 4th gen Apple TV. Some miscellaneous stuff in here. And these are basically like the pre-installed apps that come with the iPhone, minus these two in the back, the Google and Atom, which I used to buy movie tickets. Let's see, Kindle, I don't really use too much. I also have Alexa, which I told you in the beginning is one of my smart home things there. CNET, just a bookmark. Let's see, Weather. This one is a pretty unique weather app. Use location. Basically, you use a dial and it shows you what the weather might look like in advance. Don't want to really show it right now because I might get notifications. Let's see what else. Sports, Yahoo, to keep up on my sports. Roku, I use this to remote control the Roku stick in my room. And that's basically it, guys. That's all the apps I have on my iPhone. If you have any recommendations, leave them down below. Again, thanks for watching my video. Please make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. There are more videos on the way. I usually try to do videos every Tuesday, and between here and there, some giveaways. So make sure to hit that subscribe button at the end, guys. Peace out.